So we got back from our walk to search for beach glass, and okay, we're gonna take little Abby and get her dressed. She's a little chilly. Line. It's like an assembly line. Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Brynny's 9-month update. And it's the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July. Are you excited? So we've just been hanging out this morning at the lake house, and we are, I'll show you our view, about to go out to the beach and have a little beach day today to celebrate Brynn's 9-month, no, I'm just kidding, for the 4th of July. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna tell you guys what Brynn's been doing throughout the day. What? What are you doing? Are you trying to stand up?
They like calculate risk.
Mama. This is one of her new tricks, is she likes to climb all over me. We got some fun going on over here. Brynny, are you having fun?
Yeah.
She loves the pool. You splashing? I should get one of these hard plastic ones for my house.
Yeah, there's your deck.
Oh, that would be nice. Hi! Yeah. Abby's just chilling. Kids are still playing in the pool. And Alice is chilling. Uh-oh. Here's the beach glass crew. We're going off to find some beach glass. And little Abby has to stay back.
Yep.
We'll show you our treasures once we get back. So we got back from our walk to search for beach glass, and Livy added one piece to the collection. I think it might have been this one. But this is all beach glass that my parents have found over the last couple weeks. Few weeks maybe. And I love the colored blue and green pieces. I really wanted to find one to add, but I didn't find one. They're just little pieces of glass that have been tumbled in the sand. And, hey.
What are you doing?
And so now they're all smooth. And they're so pretty.
Yeah.
It's not focusing. Oh, there it goes. So now the edges are all smooth. But I didn't find any. We're going to try to look tomorrow again because it's kind of wavy now. So after the waves wash more glass up, hopefully we'll be able to find some. But she's going to put this in some type of glass jar so we can start collecting it. Auntie Liv is doing bath time, and she's going to bathe all 3 babies. So we have Abby up first. She's the first victim.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes.
Look at her eyes. They're so wide.
Is it good?
Abby, hi. She's staring at you. Abby, hi.
Hi.
So first we have Abby, and then who's next? Ella?
I think Ella.
Brynn's
Or
drinking
Brynn
her
if she's
bottle,
done with
so
her
Brynn will
bottle
probably be
first.
third. Aw, thank you, Auntie Liv.
Welcome.
You get the Aunt of the Year award.
That's what I'm going for.
We got the first little big baby.
done.
Whoops, and Brynny's going in the tubby net.
Brynny can probably have a little stronger water.
Are you ready, Brynny?
I can probably do a little stronger water. For
Yeah,
you.
she can do the
You might be able to do warmer too.
warmer.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yep. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Livy. Oh, you're basically the mom. Look at her, she's smiling. You smiling?
Oh, that might be too warm. Where's her lotion, Kate?
Good job. Oh, I have. Yeah, I'm gonna go dress her. Okay, let's go get you dressed.
Get dressed with Aunt Kate. You're all clean. You're all clean. We're just gonna use the same towel.
Okay, we're gonna take little Abby and get her dressed. She's a little chilly. You ready, Abby? We're at the Lotion Station and we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna get your lotion on. Yeah.
Yeah, Abby.
So we're just getting little Abby's lotion. It's on your head.
Gotcha.
We're getting them all in their 4th of July outfits tonight. And this is a little break from Brynn's 9-month update, but we're going to finish that a little bit later when no one's around to hear me talk, because it's kind of weird.
I didn't know we were live.
We're doing all the baths right now. Brynn's the second baby getting a bath.
Oh.
And then
when's
Ella.
Drew's bath? I thought you were giving that to me.
I have some upstairs. Abby's all dressed in her little 4th of July outfit. And now we're gonna go get Brynny.
Okay.
All right, here comes baby number 2. It's like an assembly line.
Did you like that? You have a fun bath? Hey, Liv, give me a bath.
Ella's getting her diaper changed, so we don't want to show that. Brynny's in her little 4th of July onesie. Hi, Brynny. And now it's Ella's turn.
Say all clean, Aunt Kate.
Are you all clean? Are you ready to get dried up? And get your 4th of July outfit on?
The bathroom clip.
Ella's all dressed in her little 4th of July outfit. And she's getting her hair brushed. Okay, we're finally getting to the update part of this vlog, but I'm going to tell you guys all the new things that Brynn's been doing this month. And we have some other visitors over here. They wanted to be in the video too. They want to listen to me, I guess. But one new thing that she's been doing is she can pull up on her crib completely and stand now. She also pulls up completely on any couch or piece of furniture, and she loves standing now. And she says, one thing that she says that's new is she says, "What's that?" And I think she was just saying that a couple seconds ago. Brynn, can you say, "What's that? What's that?" Say, "What's that?" I haven't captured it completely. Oh, and the other thing that she started doing is clapping. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. That's her version of clapping. So she started doing that to Yay, and when I sing pat a cake to her, she says mama and baba, but she doesn't know what she's saying. She just mumbles them. And then she says, "What's that?" So those are the 3 new things that she started saying this month. She definitely gets into everything. She crawls everywhere. She can crawl all the way to the bathroom or wherever I am. She always crawls and finds me. And another thing is that she got her first 2 bottom teeth. Let me see. Open up. Say, ah. She is sleeping pretty good. She wakes up at least once to have a bottle. Sometimes it's not until 6 though, and then she sleeps until 9:30. And then sometimes she wakes up twice if she wakes up before 6. But she always wakes up at 6, and then she goes back to sleep until 9. She started crawling on her hands and knees this month. Instead of just army crawling, she still army crawls, but she also crawls on her hands and knees. And she started waving. If I tell her to say bye, sometimes she probably won't do it right now. The last thing is that she's been a little bit clingy this month. Just starting to kind of cry when she sees me and someone else has her. Just fuss a little bit. She's not super clingy, and she's not really stranger shy that much. But it's kind of cute because she wants me, but also she doesn't really want me to put her down a lot now, even at home when I'm doing things. So that has been kind of hard. But yeah, that's about the end of her update. and we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night. It's the 4th of July, so they have their little 4th of July outfits on. Hun, you're 9 months old. But thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to follow along with our family. We're almost at 300 subscribers, so I'm so excited about that. And we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Brynny, say bye. Say bye.